and welcome to the CTgrow video tutorials. In this video, we will explain how to perform a factory reset on the RCX-1 controller. Performing a factory reset on the RCX-1 controller will erase all stored data and user settings and will restore the controller to its original factory state. This process is irreversible, and it is essential not to disconnect the power cable during the reset procedure or reboot. To start a factory reset on the RCX-1, access the Settings menu by clicking on the Settings menu button and click on the System Tools button to open the system settings. From within the System menu, press the Firmware Tools button to open the Firmware Options menu. From within the Firmware Options menu, press the Factory Reset button to start the factory reset procedure. After clicking on the Factory Reset button, a reconfirmation screen will appear asking you to press the Factory Reset button again to proceed. Please note that you should only press this button once, and then wait for the controller to reboot itself to its original factory state. It is essential to not unplug the power from the RCX-1 controller during this process, as it may cause severe damage to the device. Once the factory reset procedure is fully completed, the controller will reboot automatically. It may take up to 5 minutes for the controller to reset and restart. After the reset is complete, the controller will be set to its original factory state. Please note that after the factory reset, all your personal login data will be deleted, and you will need to set up the controller with your preferred settings and programs again. The default login data can be found in Chapter 5 of the RCX-1 User Manual or video number 5. And with this, we have come to the end of this video on how to reset your RCX-1 controller back to factory default settings. Thank you for watching, and happy growing with CTgrow.